Here's to the dreams you built. With bare hands and burnt hours, piece by piece, shift after shift. It shook, it jammed, it cracked, but you tightened every bolt, held it together, with no breaks, no shortcuts, just willpower and long nights. These are dreams beyond comfort, beyond convention, beyond what feels possible. At Gulf, we know these dreams up close. We have heard their hum, felt their heat. Which is why we lean in, not just with lubricants, but with solutions. We don't ask what's in the contract. We ask ourselves, what else could you need? It's when the company's goal beats like a personal fire in every soul. For us, it's beyond lifting loads. It's lifting beliefs, being all in. It's not for glory or credit. It's because your dream deserves something beyond. Gulf, dream beyond, do beyond.